bank from Obushum air approve.
Yeah, SS, we mature SS, teacher about Odewale.
Okay.
He's a literature teacher. Very good. Odewale.
Okay, Odewale.
Yeah. And Mediman, I think mature first one, Black is Beautiful.
Okay.
Now Mediman also okay.
Okay.
And on not Chama and or share the
English.
Yeah.
Okay.
Literature. We share the way or we are almost a year class. Do those we are mayor now say okay. What need to be intimate continue. Mama here we continue on show. If me find to me find you go dey mention to okay. Yeah. So and my madam ba was Madam Emilia. Also or Charlie teacher also encourage me to get me and my friends also.
Okay. Yeah. How many books so far?
5.
What and what?
My mother.
Okay.
Mystery of the World.
Okay.
Jealousy.
Okay.
Black is Beautiful and Ghana is Lost.
Yeah, funny back. My mother then who?
My mother is about me celebrating, telling the world, their mommy.
Okay.
Yeah. On the Empire, yeah, been more papa money one. Until Mamino, I say Eja.
Are you one?
I'm one of them.
Okay.
Eja.
Mother is not there. Only
yeah,
mother.
Yeah. So, Munisa and Mammy, Mama, and man say me mammy, dear mammy, I am mammy. So I just celebrated there. And I went back, according to the book, I went back and what she has done for me. I am mammy, and I can't, and at the end of it, we celebrating.
So how many lines do you write in your books?
In poetry, we have stanzas.
Yeah.
Yeah, stanzas. So
how many stanzas?
I think I have 4 stanzas.
With the mother is 4.
Yeah.
What? Then the woman who was.
Yeah. My mother, my asset.
My mother, my asset.
Yeah. My mother, my asset. A woman of bravery heart.
Okay.
A woman who was there for me when no one was there.
Okay.
My mother, my asset.
Where is stanza 1?
Yeah.
My. Oh, then the rhyme and I where rhyme and I read it.
Yeah. Tia, I said, maybe I said, a year there was
my mother,
my asset. The woman was there for me when nobody was there. My mother, my pride, the brave woman. Yeah. You see, maturity, it was something like, I don't want that me person. Maybe because I've not done the necessary things I was saying me answer about pointing.
Okay, don't come with style.
Yeah, so I want to be careful.
Okay.
Now if I'm not careful, somebody can pick it.
Why people are asking for your books?
Yeah, people are asking, but when I finished doing it, people were asking that they want to buy. I said they should just take their time. They should take their time because it's process. Yeah, so I have more poems, but I think that 5 when I had any managing, like now mature, I was going through experience.
Okay, we come back.
I was going to experience. I'm so sad. I think 2 or 3. I'm still. You see, poem you may write it today, but tomorrow no be sure because as a line way, I can say mature way, so it will come. So you need to upgrade it every day. To the time I want to now poem, I feel the mommy.
You call the other poem Ghana.
Yeah, Ghana is lost.
What is it? Because if you say Ghana is lost, you are staying in Ghana, we just stay in Ghana. Yeah. Why is Ghana lost?
You see, the title is not the same thing as it doesn't mean saying Ghana here. Okay. No, in a sense, like said, the things in this country, the political system has taken control of everything in this country. You see, now you say your resources, it is no more in use. Okay. The blood that our forefathers shed for us is in vain. Because you won't say a party come inside, come and do what he or she likes, then boom, or go away for rubber. There's no land, there's no law. I always say, way back on your way, You should cast our mind back, said, yeah, our forefathers done for us. And then be the but as we've lost the resources but you are losing. There's no valuable resource that we are boasting of. Now everything that we eat here is exported. We import and we export. We should not be so. Why don't you be our Ghana? But say as the
first stanza.
Ghana is lost. Ghana is lost.
No,
I think
when the Ghana is lost, I want all the stanza. And I'm crying.
I think. And I'm kind of mature.
Over my first and last. My first and last.
Ghana is lost. I think once I'm mature, I've not started down to
go through, but it's one of your best, or
sure.
The one that you love most.
Yeah, it is the one that I love most is My Mother, Black is Beautiful, and Ghana is Lost.
So Black is Beautiful. Is it because you are black?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it got to a point in time where people were talking about my color.
You are not that black.
Yeah, but I don't know why people were talking about. Maybe I'm going here.
But
you see, once so we have a common and power so people were saying, and in a normal sense, like I said, that conform as like, wait to Mama come out some do. Sure. Well, Mama come out some so black is beautiful.
My stanza, first stanza.
Black is beautiful. I forgot it.
Hey, I said, me. Now, one can watch out.
Yeah, my trouble. Once I know because my tenacity and go through because I do many things. And you only point now because to try me at all. And I was saying I have to go through. I have to take my time and go through. I'm a kind of because sometimes somebody will ask me, and I remember, and I remember some parts, and I tell the person, but I don't want to bring it all out, and I'm going to be all.
Maybe so a question where as an upcoming, and now you're already in the system because if you've been nominated and you've been recognized, I probably say Ghana, how do we say, because industry players are, ye movies, and ye new film, ye who poets.
Sure.
Why?
Why? Because you're home. But a bino and the ancient so.
Yene, a bino and a who ya and that's a bino and semos.
What's that? Acting. We'll be acting one. Although Actia Bacopena Park, not Wabasso. Sanity, your whole. But say, on Buffalo, not so much you organize all point for. We are organizing a program, some way, a Mombra. They ain't with the abbey. Sandy Bones say, yes, my baby. And say, oh, to be a winning look round Waba. I'm a woman, send power when you are the way. But some women beside a bedroom, go when you phone, but me. But I think what drop him not to one another. A bed never one. Because when you phone at least social media about one, for being one and
quite simple for now, but yeah. I'm only on request aqua by
and I'm going idea won't buy your money on for so the money. Or as I'm money on for so, and I'm paying for now so, or one person or mobile boy young ones, no my bus go on so much or money will be grand befa. Don't pass on my there, Colan never take you over. But as I sanity, sir, infants music, sir, Obi-Wan rapping. Now I'll say if I were one or rapping. But so one about Panum, I'm on the name Babu. I don't Samson your manner. I'm the example. The example say Nippon air rap here. Now, because of where rap on so back up and go for bed, a bit helino down into on one on bamboo. Sana prayer system.
Yeah, Ben now starts a shop poem.
2019.
2019. Now we're school now.
Now we're school.
Now we're school. Yeah. Now it's me time.
Yeah.
A choice are 5 poems.
Yeah, is it?
There's an ocean here.
I'm sure you
when you headmaster man called man signing board.
Nah.
Because you're sure poems on our canal. It takes time. It takes a lot of time.
It takes time. But you see, as an individual, you need to set your time. So your time.
Okay.
Because I didn't do anything, but there was no complaint from teachers said because I was the school prefect. Wow. No, there was no any complaint, and I make sure every time in the session. So if this 5 minutes, I make sure 5 minutes. I do way I'm at for us. So I was glued to my books, and I make and because I poem not mature, but mature to open my forget it. Not me, it's like my dream was so more, but mature to open my forget it because I had it's about 7 minutes to because I'm a riff. Okay. Sometimes I'm going to go out about me to my throat to phone. To go free and watch your my dad to baby. say be someday maybe we will be yummy. I forget. Like Black is beautiful. Me try. I'm trying first in 2019. Just to work 2020. And me come back say I think December. Now so let me just. I remember say I have a point. I was going to the books and I said okay. Then let me do something more. And I wrote my mother, Jealousy, Mystery of the World, and Ghana is Lost.
Mystery of the world.
Yeah.
Why that?
Mystery of the world because everything in the world happens in a mysterious way which you won't understand. Maybe like mystery means that something which cannot be explained.
And giant means
Obi it's a mystery. Mystery of the world. Obi to me or bonnie.
So what kind lines no?
Yeah, mystery of the world. A world full of mystery, a world full of amazement, disappointment. Where others feel
amazement and amazement. How are the entry?
Amazement.
Amazing. It's secret. I want to know. We am best show the okay.
Amazement because disappointment. Obi to me disappointed. Who do anything person and to make me up one me.
So I met us now manage. They met us now someone.
You see. Disappoint. He said, I don't want to say, Obi to me to say, act me dinner poor, wouldn't ask, Nanipo any day. Wouldn't you ask every
on? I said, well, now tiny bit.
Okay, we are saying, it's
the perfect standard.
A world full of mystery, a world full of amazement, where people refuse to push others to the top, where others fail to push others to get to the limelight. A world full of mystery.
Wait, full of mystery there. Hey, a wow story now. They can't. Oh, fantastic, Omono.
Oh, David. Say, I can yes no.
Oh, fantastic, Omonana. Oh, they found
because most of the poems didn't know about the experience I'm going so. Now is an unfair being told. Now be so a woman shall be free.
Jealousness, so what for more?
It's those who are around me.
Hey, they were feeling jealous.
Yeah, jealous. No, like as to a man around me now. Like I don't know two so almost will be called more time.
Did you ever perform your poems in school?
Yeah, I think once. I think during church service. Yeah.
Which one did you perform?
Black is Beautiful.
That is your own.
Yeah.
So Black is Beautiful. So one my stanza.
Yeah.
Until what performing one they waiting on my stanza.
Is it? You can't say we because you go beat you because if you are media make it is my own idea about me go through. You see that time no catch me say they want me to do so that for the student to
okay, yeah. You know what
so,
you do.
Sure. So I took my time and I go through it. I do it and that was never sure was when I'm reading and I have to concentrate on the books.
Although what contacting conform more poets, now what contact you be so about thing. Said this is what I write. I want you to help me, not in a way that you're a poet, but obema me guidelines. So why you penny apart from go for on your mom no they are actor be actress be one man who say we and I'm mature and so you also write what your script
no
because my so we actor what actor
yeah hook up
I don't know
KKB multimedia concept
I don't know so
hook up about
one out Troya
director and Dr. Kelly
okay Kelly Kobe
Blues and I think it's a good movie because hook up is about baby and now only financial support
okay
until they now for be a tune for say only bema have sex when you hook up now when you ska until not so every room at the point I'm not so jaiba or jason let's get be anymore until only numerous guys have which names should be a part
so they're now only have who clean up
oh man trying to see this way
that's what me and then the price of travel
I think that we went up right back
wow no yeah okay
and we are one on HIV until now it was educating people that even though no matter your circumstances you shouldn't indulge in any be at that share affect you
But how did you get say now your script no?
We went into Yakoyawa Kufodia. I'm into acting. Director I think acting and those doing modeling and those some people doing music and I'm by there.
No, from a can or contacting.
Yeah.
This still no. It's never say what the point in the amount. I didn't hear. Because we was out there with that.
Yeah. Also, I say like I just want to take my time. But some to my book. Let's say media member rush. There are more time. It can be your time, but not your 10. So to maybe I mean minutes or 7 children. But it will be my 10. So people are going to support me.
But say you say is the advantage come by once, so you have to use it.
Is it? Because yes, we are my friend. Most of we top. We are my friend. As you say, maybe yourself with the children. And I'm disappointment him. And I'm betrayal. It is a media actually. We need the next to buy. So I'm very careful with those things. But the most is here the next time we will publish here in your name. Meaning say, and you will grab me.
But so we are the copyright to swan.
I want to be straight. Sure. Because if you're not civilized, people are going to.
It's gonna pay for Muntiana.
It's not money, but I want people to have the mindset. This is what is going on in the country. I want.
Yeah. So all they are no better about country, not tradition.
No. I think black is beautiful. The last stanza. I was talking about how people were toning their blood, their body, their skin. Once which is not good. It is your own color, your identity.
It's all poem no ever talking about what is happening.
Sure.
And your man is see away say.
Sure. And about the point. And the ACC my money they so be na brabo.
Now they are all trying to all bravo.
Oh. Some joke won't say I'm sure. I won't say no cause my bravo.
Oh, but once I go how much to meet sure. I say movie, you must sure. Real story, true life story. How they know understand.
Like, but I could say confused.